cat over there.
Hi, everybody. My name is Maria. And what's your name?
Micah.
Micah. Who's this?
Kai.
Kai. And they are going to show you just how easy my low-carb bread is to make. So what I have back here is boiling water on the stove. You kind of want to start that ahead of time because you want boiling water with this recipe, but it's so easy. These are our hot dog buns for lunch. Very, very easy. And I'm even going to make some croutons out of them too. But what you want to start with is almond flour. Can you put that in there, buddy?
All of it?
Almond flour. Yay! Almond flour. And then we're going to use psyllium husk. Now, if your bread turns purple, throw it right on in there.
You want all of it?
All of it in there. If your bread turns purple, it's probably the brand of psyllium.
Oh, there's more.
That's okay, that's good. This brand will not turn it purple, okay? Now, that's good, buddy. What we need is some baking powder. Can you put that in there, buddy? Mr. Micah. And we need some salt. Salt makes everything taste better. Put that in there. All of it.
But it's too sweet.
Put it in there. And then we're going to just mix this all up, real simple like. Can you hold that, Micah? And we want 3 egg whites. Throw that in there.
All of it?
Yep, all of it. And we also want some apple cider vinegar. Throw that on in there.
All of it.
All of it, please. And then we need a cup of boiling water, okay?
Yeah.
And this is going to form a dough, so just keep mixing. It's kind of bubbling up. Now, here's some things. If you notice a bubble in your bread, it's probably altitude, or you added a little bit too much baking powder, or you used psyllium husk that wasn't ground fine. You want to make sure that it's ground very, very fine. We'll turn this up a little bit. Whoa, sorry, buddy.
Can I try?
We're good. So now you can see this is a very forgiving dough. It's like putty. And we're going to make buns now, but you want buns about this size. And I'm going to make them in my air fryer today. So I'm just going to use my pan here. This is your air fryer pan, I think. I don't know. And you just put it right in there, okay? And you're going to bake them. And then about halfway through, you're going to flip them. And what you're going to end up with are nice fluffy buns that double in size and are super great. And if you haven't made a hot dog in the air fryer, they're delicious. They're just like a tiny ball. Those are like little croutons, but they're just like ballpark hot dogs. You'll love them. We even made, look at bagels in the air fryer. And I made bagel chips. And how were the bagel chips? Did you have some earlier?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Tastes good. They're delicious.
I'm gonna eat this.
Don't eat it. We'll bake them, okay? Bye, everybody.